Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to change the taskbar location in Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly, go to taskbar, right click on it, then click on taskbar settings. Here you will scroll down and here is taskbar behaviors. Click on taskbar behaviors. Scroll down. Here you will see taskbar alignment. Find now click on the drop down menu. Click on left to move icon to the left, and for center to move icon back to the center. The taskbar will change instantly. You will see the all icons will be in the center. If you want to all icons in left, you can change it to according to your preference. Also, you can automatically hide the taskbar. This feature also used, and you can also see share any window from my taskbar, show flashing on taskbar, and the other taskbar features. And that's it. That's how to change taskbar location in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.